Trust that.
Right, man.
No, man, tell him say that, man.
Hold on, man.
Go ahead.
We start over.
Yeah.
Wait, man.
What do you think about the Christmas, man?
Wait.
It's very lovely, mate.
It's very lovely.
Lovely.
Is this your first time in America?
Really? It's my good time.
It's a good time or is it first time?
First time and a good time too.
It's a good time too? Are you enjoying yourself?
Really? I'm enjoying myself a lot.
A lot? So is this the first time travel overseas?
Now, having the small foreign.
What with small foreign you been to?
I've been to like the Cayman Islands, the Bahamas, you know all the small foreign. Yeah, you know small on the map, you know. No, you're the bigger foreign. Yes.
So, how was the weather? How was the weather treating you over here?
Bloody cold. Bloody cold, mate. Take out my gloves, you know.
Yeah, put the gloves on. Put the gloves on. Put the gloves on. Yeah, very cold, man. Yeah.
You sure those are the right gloves?
That's the reason one, mate.
Gloves is gloves. Tell
It's
him.
cold.
Keep you warm. Yeah.
Where you from?
Where you from?
England.
Where?
Real talk. Where you from?
I'm Jamaican.
Where in Jamaica, man?
Going to Jamaica?
Yeah.
Kingston.
Kingston. Where in Kingston, man?
Wait, have you ever been to England before?
I haven't.
You haven't? Where do you get the accent from?
When I've been in the airport, you know.
You've been at the
I'm
airport?
playing Thames in. I'm in the British Highway, you know.
Yeah.
So while the highway comes on the highway, I catch it on the highway.
You catch the accent from the airway.
Yes, that's a British highway.
Yes.
Yes, I was working on the highway, so I catch it while I was on the highway.
Show the camera your
So
gloves.
you're that good?
My gloves, you know.
Yeah.
Wow.
You're very cold, now.
Show them the back and the front. Tell them that's from the cold weather.
When it's cold, you know.
Yeah. Yeah. And you catch the accent? You catch the accent?
Yes, when the plane comes and it hops.
So you never been to England?
I haven't.
Haven't?
So the only place you've been is in Jamaica. And you catch this accent.
Right here, you know.
Yeah, and this is your first time in the US.
Yes, first
No,
time,
not
right.
in the US, in the big foreign.
The big
The
First
foreign.
time in big foreign.
So what do you think about the big
Yeah, you
foreign?
been to small foreign.
Big fine is lovely, and it's money.
You just need a little money, big
So
first.
you're going back to Jamaica?
Pretty soon, pretty soon.
Pretty soon, pretty soon. You sure? You sure?
So what you gonna tell the people then when you go home?
Where you go?
You need to get a visa to come here, you know.
Yeah.
This is the place to be.
You big up the movie star.
Big
I heard you in a movie. I'm gonna promote the movie on my Facebook page. Tell the people what the movie is all about.
Oh, the movies, you know, friend betrayed friend. I just do every day, you know.
Yeah.
I sell drugs.
You sell? Wait. You sell drugs?
They're coming for you, man. They're gonna come get you, man.
Trying to incarcerate me?
Yeah.
Yeah, you know. I didn't say I'm selling drugs, you know. I said promoting drugs.
You promote.
What did I say wrong?
Yeah.
But off the video camera.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
Cut them.
Go ahead.
Cut them, mate.
Mate,
Cut the video
stop
camera,
talking,
mate.
mate. Pinta, hey, what you think about the movie and when the movie coming out?
The movie's coming up February 2015.
Right.
Man is on an interview, yeah.
The movie's coming up February 2015.
Put the other star in the movie now. Put the other star in the camera now.
Movie.
Yeah.
Get the other star to the camera now. Come on, star. Come in, star. Come in, star. Come over, star.
Wait. How old are you? Tell the camera. Look at the camera.
I'm 30.
You 30? And you've never been to the US and you've never been
Yo,
to
watch
England
my-
before, but you
He's
get
a
the
man.
accent. Put the mic in his mouth.
I haven't.
You haven't, and this is your first time.
This is my first time, mate.
We just want to get that clear to the people so they can understand where we're coming from. Because
And where you get the accent?
if we speak Jamaican to you, we want them to know that you will understand it. And you live in Jamaica for 30 years now.
Yo,
And you
Wagwan.
catch the accent that you have.
What
from
are you
the
saying, mate?
airwaves.
Yo, Wagwan.
I'm not understanding what you're saying.
Yo, what's up?
I'm not getting what you're saying.
Yo, what's up, dog?
Give us some
What's a
Jamaican.
dog?
What's up, dog?
That's a perfect animal.
Yeah.
What's a dog?
What's up, man?
Pardon me?
Hey,
What's up, Jay?
pardon you.
Jay?
Hey.
What's up, Jay?
Are you talking?
What's up, Jay?
Talking upper
What's up,
J.
Jay?
What are you saying?
What's up,
I'm not understanding
Jay?
what you're saying.
What's up, Jay?
He's speaking Jamaican.
That's Jamaican lingo?
What's up, mate?
What's up, Ben?
Watch
Oh,
out. Move it
damn!
back.
Hey!
Big up, long run, short catch,
Yeah.
straight.
What's up, man?
What you play in the movie?
I play the
You wanna
fat man
say-
in the movie.
Don't play with my.
wife.
What the
Right.
Don't play.
Of my money.
Damn!
That's
No,
the
no.
What year part
My,
in the movie?
my shopping money?
I play a bodyguard of a gangster.
Show me the gun. 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 Show me the
I have
gun.
a firearm at the moment.
Yeah.
It's an M16.
Down.
It's something like this.
That's a bottle, man.
Bottle?
Yeah, you said something like that.
And
So it's a toy.
something here,
It's
yeah.
a toy. It's a toy. It's a
I
toy.
play gangster role.
No, you play a toy role.
Pardon me?
Toy role.
Are you trying to informate my character?
You
Yes,
play
sir?
a toy role. And you say it was something like that.
I'm
They
telling
can't shoot me. Shoot me with that.
you think I'm crazy?
Yeah.
No, you might try, yo. You might try style, yo.
Oh, you testing my fate?
Yes, you might try style a thing. Like
Okay.
you're a fool.
You said imitate me.
Go hop in the car.
Imitate me.
Oh,
Let me think.
We have to go now, mate.
No, you might imitate.
we have to go now,
You
mate.
might try style, yo.
You gotta go now, mate.
We're
Yo,
gonna go to the
cut the
movie
camera
premiere,
here,
mate.
man. That's it for now, mate.
Yeah, that's
Later,
it.
mate. That's it for
Cut.
now, mate. Cut the camera. Cut the camera.